This is a nice cart. Building with Papa. Okay, I wanted to get a cart that folded to put in the back of my truck because I'm going in and out of properties too many times, and this way I'm going to be able to put all the tools I need into this cart to bring inside instead of running back and forth, but also small enough to where I can fold it up and put it in the back of my truck. So I'm opening this up now. It seems very nice. It's small. The fourth wheel was underneath the bottom. I thought it was missing, but that's the way they pack it. And I'm opening it up, and this part here that's folded is actually the bottom. It goes inside the cart. So now you got to put the wheels on. They're real simple. You'll see the front wheels have a curve on the frame. They're going to be at the front where the handle is. You snap them in, you push these little red buttons, and they fall right into place. It's real simple. So get both front ones in and push the button. You'll hear them click right into place, and it's good. Now here, I've actually put this wheel on wrong. You'll see it in a little bit. I'll straighten it out. But you have to have them all facing in the same direction. But it's real simple to change. You just hold the red buttons and turn it so that it's in the same direction, so it's able to go forward and backwards. I'm shooting this video with my glasses, and then I'm also going to show it further out so you can see at a wider range of what's actually going on. This is more of a close-up so that you can see each part as I'm doing it. All right, now this is the bottom, and I actually put it in upside down, but it probably really doesn't matter. And the handle, you push the red button, it comes out, and it moves pretty nice. I've used this cart a few times already, and it handles all the tools that I need to bring in and out of the properties. The one I'm working on now is quite a distance from the parking lot. It's a commercial project, so I really needed to get something. Now, I haven't opened up the flap for the tools, but it's convenient. It all feels nice and sturdy, and it should last me quite a long time. Well, I'll have this down in the description so you can purchase one also with other tools that there, and you can actually go through any of it in Amazon and you'll be able to purchase anything that you like through my link, even if it's not the same link that you first went there. It gives me credit and I make a couple bucks. All right, here's the view I was telling you that I have it further out so you could see exactly what happens when you're putting in the wheels. And again, they make it very simple. If you need to take the wheels out to put it in your vehicle, and then put your wheels someplace else, you can do that. It's not hard to. The spot I have in my truck, it folds up perfect, and it goes behind the box that I have all my tools in, and right by my vacuum cleaner. It's a perfect location. I've seen some other ones, and the wheels were a little small. And sometimes on some properties, you have to go around the house, and going through the grass with these wheels is a lot easier than the ones that I've seen with the smaller wheels. All right, it unfolds nice. You pull it out, and then when you get it out so far, reach in and push down. And then that will expand the rest of the frame, and it holds quite a bit. I'm really impressed with this cart. It's going to meet all my needs that I need for getting my tools in and out of a property. And I think this will work for you also. So pick one up in the description. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. As you see here, I have the wheel that I told you I put in wrong, but I'm going to be able to correct it by pushing in the red buttons and just turn the wheel in the direction that you want. So I just noticed that the wheel is in the wrong direction, so this is what you do. It won't turn because it's the back wheel. So you push in the 2 red buttons, it pops out, turn it the direction you want, push it back in. Now they're going to run forward and backward. Nice and straight, the front wheels turn. This thing works unbelievably well. Alright, well, I hope this video helps you to put yours together, and I hope that you give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and ring that bell. It really helps the channel. Alright, I hope to see you on the next one. I didn't show how to wrap it up with the bottom piece, so I'm going to do that for you now before I put it in my truck. Okay, and here it is. Alright, pull out the bottom, pull up on the string that's in the middle, it starts to collapse. Now there's a button on the bottom where my right hand is that you have to push in and for the handle to go down. Then just fold it in, it folds in nice and tight. I put my knee at the front by the handle and I bring the piece around. It's 3-sided, and then the strap goes around where the handle is and into these loops and back around to a Velcro end. It's not hard to do. It's pretty simple. Then you're ready to put it in your truck or vehicle. It's pretty small, but it opens up pretty good.